How to master the art of Tamil, a tutorial. Step number 1, pass the Tanglish test. You know if there's one thing Tamilians don't like, it's confidence.
Yo, I got a headache. Can I get some coffee?
The trick though is to stay right in the middle of what we call the Tanglish meter.
Selvi, தலைவலிக்குது காஃபி குடிக்க போலாமா?
மேடத்துக்கு தலைவலிக்கு தான் ஒரு காஃபி சாப்பிடலாம் வாங்க. Step 2. Save people a few milliseconds with your sentences. Just look at what that sentence has been reduced to. Madamku thala valikida coffee saapda polam. It's like Grammarly finally found a soulmate.
Hi, I just wanted to say I find your redundant so sexy.
Thank you.
Coffee?
Coffee saapdalam. It has Tanglish, it says more and less, and legend has it that even Einstein couldn't crack so many combinations in one equation.
Volga Valamudan.
Step number 3. Give respect, take respect. In the same sentence.
நான் ஒரு டீ கொடுங்கண்ணா.
Too respectful.
டேய் ஒரு டீ குடுறா.
Disrespectful.
Instead you combine the extremely respectful and the extremely disrespectful and make one rasam sadam out of it.
No, ஒரு டீ குடுண்ணா.
உட்கார்னா தரனா